Hello, everybody. Welton Hong over here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever used like AI tools like ChatGPT to create content only to find out it sounds fine but doesn't really rank? You're not imagining it. A lot of AI content today sounds exactly the same. And here's why. Most AI tools are trained on the same data. And when you give them a similar prompt, they give you similar answers, right? It's smooth, it's readable, it's generic, it blends in. If your content looks like everyone else's, it doesn't win visibility. So here's what you can do about it. It starts with a new way of thinking about AI content, not a one-click generator, but as a strategy that includes your brand voice, your structure, and your competitive edge. So here's three key steps that I would like you to undertake. Step one, create a brand Bible, or what do we call it, a knowledge file. This is where you define your voice, your tone, your values, right? So your content doesn't sound like, right, everyone else's around you. It sounds more like you. AI needs this to write in your unique style, right? For example, that brand Bible would also include who you are, what you do, how are you different, what's your business model, right? Um, right. So that way it knows about you and your style, how are you unique. Step two, use a proven template URL. This gives the AI a structure to follow, like how you format your headlines, um, where you add internal links, how schema is used. It turns random content into repeatable success. Step three, reverse engineer your computer's fan out prompts, right? That means studying what related questions, entities, and the themes they cover, and making sure your content expands strategically in all right directions. So when you do this right, you create content that's not just AI written. It's brand authentic, structurally smart, and really ready to be rewarded by Google's latest systems. One of the most exciting tools, right, doing this today is actually a tool called Market Brew. They let you inject your brand strategy and so structure into the right AI writing process, right? But again, easily, right? You can follow the steps I do. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, right? It doesn't matter, right? What you use. Okay. So bottom line, if you want AI to work for visibility, not just velocity, you have to teach it how you think and how the internet, right? Not how the internet talks. So if you need a little help here and there, feel free to reach out to me. Just want to make sure your content does not look exactly the same as others who are using these AI tools.